Please subscribe my channel TechVines and press the bell icon to see the more interesting videos on future. Hello my dear friends, this is Mayur here and you are watching TechVines. So in this video we are going to talk about a PC built under 50k. It means 50,000 Indian rupees. I have done some PC built videos in my channel earlier, so you can check the PC built videos. You will get the link in description as well as in the iCard. So let us start this PC built video. It is my first PC built video in English, so please comment down how it was. So for the processor I have chosen the latest 8th generation Intel Core i3 8100. It will get you around 10,000 rupees on Amazon. It is a quad-core processor, so it comes with 4 cores and 4 threads. Each core of this processor is clocked at 3.6 GHz. It is a Coffee-like generation, so it supports LGA1151 socket but only 300 series motherboard. Overall, i3 8100 is a very nice processor, but the motherboard which supports the i3-81 processor is a little bit expensive. It will cost you around 11,000 rupees on Amazon. So the motherboard which I had chosen is MSI Z370A Pro. It comes with LGA1151 socket and it supports the 8th generation processors. It supports DDR4 memory up to 4000 MHz. It is very nice. Think about the motherboard. So DDR4 boost advanced technology provided by MSI Overclock Lab to ensure the maximum capability of overclocking performance is given by this motherboard. So it comes with a heavy plated heatsinks, leading heatsinks designed for maximum cooling. It's tell by the MSI. It has multiple PCIe Express slots, so you can crossfire the graphic card. It is also a very nice thing about this motherboard. For the graphic card, I have chosen the Asus GTX 1050 Ti 4GB GDDR5 overclocked edition 1 graphic card. This will cost you around 15,000 rupees. For more specifications, you can check my previous video. In those videos, I had explained about this graphic card very clearly. Overall, it is a very nice graphic card. It can play all the games on highest setting around 60 FPS. GTX 1050 Ti does very well if you have a low budget and you want to make a good PC. So for the hard disk, I have chosen Seagate New Barracuda 1TB hard drive. It comes with 64 MB cache and it has a SATA 6.0 slot. So you want to see the specifications of the video, so you can check out my previous video. Link will be provided in the description as well as in the iCard. So in this previous video, I have compared this Seagate with the Western Digital Blue, which has officially suggested by the YouTubers that Western Digital Blue is the best, but it is not true. You can check my video. The price of Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard disk is about 3600 on Amazon. So for the RAM, I have chosen the Silicon Power 2400 MHz 8GB DDR4 RAM. So it is specially designed for gamers and it comes with a very cool looking heatsink. I want to choose the Corsair, but it is too expensive in Amazon, and in India the price of RAM is a little bit expensive, so I had gone to the Silicon Power, but it does great in the budget of 6,000 rupees. It comes in 6,000 rupees on Amazon. So for the power supply, I had chosen the Circle APFC 500 watt power supply. It is specially designed for gaming, so I had chosen this power supply for our PC build. It comes with around 2,800 rupees on Amazon. I had not chosen the Corsair VS450 because it is not sufficient for our PC build. So for the DVD writer, I had chosen the Asus internal DVD writer. It is a basic internal DVD writer. It comes around 1,000 rupees on Amazon. And for the cabinet, I had chosen the BCC gaming cabinet. It is a very cool looking gaming cabinet. For the cabinet, the brand is not means so more. It means the style of the cabinet. The cabinet had the quality, so it looks very nice. So the BCC had the quality of looking very nice. So I had chosen the cabinet for our gaming PC build. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, so hit the like button and subscribe to our channel TechVines. And thanks for watching this video. तो आपको कैसी लगी आज की वीडियो? ये मेरी पहली वीडियो थी जो मैंने इंग्लिश में करा था, तो आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। तो चलो ठीक है, हम खत्म कर देते हैं अब।